Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is DDoS. DDoS stand for Distributed Denial of Services. Let's start it. DDoS, Distributed Denial Service, is a type of cyber attacks where multiple system flood a targeted system with traffic overwhelming its resources and marketing it's unavailable to user. Type of DDoS attacks: first is UDP floods the target with UDP packets. Second is ICMP floods the target with ICMP packets. Third is SYN floods the target with TCP SYN packets. DDoS attacks consequences: first is downtime, targeted system becomes unavailable. Second is data loss, potential data loss or corporation. Third is financial loss for revenue and productivity. DDoS mitigation strategies: first is traffic filtering, block malicious traffic. Second is rate limiting, limits traffic rates. Third is content delivery network, CDNS, distributed traffic. DDoS protection services: first is cloud-based protection, cloud-based DDoS protection services. Second is on premises protection, on premises DDoS protection solution. Here are some additional aspects of DDoS. DDoS attacks vectors: first is network layer attacks, target network infrastructure. Second is application layer attacks target specific application. Third is volumetric attacks overwhelm a target with traffic volume. DDoS mitigation techniques: first is IP blacklisting, block traffic from unknown malicious IPs. Second is rate limit traffic rates to prevent overload. Third is traffic shipping, prioritize legitimate traffic. DDoS protection solution: first is Cloudflare, cloud-based DDoS protection. Second is Akimia, DDoS protection and content delivery. Third is AWS Shield, DDoS protection for AWS resources. DDoS attacks trend: first is increasing attack size, large attacks are becoming more common. Second is more sophisticated attacks are become more complex. Third is IoT based attacks, IoT devices are being used in DDoS attacks. Here are some additional aspects of DDoS attacks tools. First is botnets, networks for compromised devices used for DDoS attacks. Second is low orbit Canon LOIC, a total use for DDoS attacks. DDoS attacks motivation: first is extortion attacks, demand payment to stop the attack. Second is activism, DDoS attacks user for political, for social statements. Third is competition, business may use DDoS attacks or to disrupt competitors. DDoS defense strategy: first is layer defense, implement a multiple layer of defense. Second is scalability, ensure infrastructure can scale to handle attacks. Third is monitoring, continuously monitoring for potential attacks. DDoS and incidents response: first is quickly identify the attack. Second is mitigation, implement mitigation strategies. Third is analyzes the attacks to improve future defense. There are some additional aspects of DDoS attacks type. First is UDP flood overwhelms